Today we will show you how to replace the battery on your speed sensor 2. For this process, you will need a replacement CR2032 battery. First, remove the silicone sleeve to reveal the sensor. Then rotate the battery cover counterclockwise until the marker on the cover lines up with the line on the compartment. You can use a US quarter or something similar if needed. Remove the battery and cover. Wait 30 seconds to allow the sensor to fully discharge. Carefully place the new battery inside the battery cover, observing polarity. Line up the markers and rotate clockwise to lock the battery cover. The LED flashes red and green for a few seconds after battery replacement. When the LED flashes green and then stops flashing, the battery change was successful and the sensor is ready for use. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com.